ChatGPT is a chatbot with conversational capabilities, meaning it can interact with users and have human-like conversations. There are many platforms that are similar to this one already, such as Alexa, Google Assistant, and many other platforms that allow users to ask questions and receive instant answers. However, ChatGPT differs because it is by far the most powerful language model available because it has been trained on large amounts of data. In this video, we are only trying to understand the rage behind it, and I say this as the platform has been in the headlines since it launched. There have been numerous headlines and posts about this platform. There are a few headlines saying that Tinder users are using ChatGPT for messaging their matches, further to gamify the game of finding love on their phones. Another headline says that a mental health tech company is using ChatGPT to offer emotional support to its customers. Yet, another headline states that students are using ChatGPT to write their research papers and prevent getting caught due to plagiarism. So who came up with this platform, and how does it work? ChatGPT was created by OpenAI and co-founded by Elon Musk. This platform is trained on 175 billion parameters to generate human-like responses when answering each question. These parameters are widely used in AI writing tools and SEO tools. It is a pre-trained language model developed by OpenAI, capable of generating human-like text. It can be fine-tuned for various natural language processing tasks such as language translation, question answering, and text summarization. ChatGPT works in the same way that a child learns how to speak. They pick up different things from different people and ultimately use them to form their own style and language. This is what makes ChatGPT different from other chatbots. It can carry a full-fledged conversation with its users, not just give them a tailor-made reply. This also raises several questions. The first question is, can ChatGPT help students cheat? The simple answer is yes, since ChatGPT eliminates the risk of plagiarism by automatically generating unique essays, articles, and research papers. A second human problem that could plague this platform is racism. ChatGPT struggles with accuracy and balance when it comes to contentious topics. When asked about Donald Trump's alleged racism, the platform said it is inappropriate to make such generalizations about characters. In response to Boris Johnson's racism, it offered examples and instances when the former British Prime Minister was accused of racism. What does this tell you about the platform? ChatGPT cannot be expected to be unbiased, impartial, and rational. Its answers can't look authoritative and reliable, but they can also be wrong and prejudiced because, at the end of the day, it is running on data compiled by human beings. There are many things that need to be updated on the platform, but ChatGPT will surely change the tech world in the coming future.